Public Library, and today we're going to read a special story because on Sunday it's Mother's Day. So you want to honor your mother and remember to love her and take care of her and always be kind. So today we're going to read a really good book. It's called Llama Llama Home with Mama. And look at, oh my goodness, Mama's taking care of that little guy. And it's by Anna Dewdney. Okay, let's see, because you know what? I think your mama takes care of you really, really well. So let's see what our story. And I'm going to read a little bit at the beginning of each book. We have a little bit of a way that we know what the story's about. So I see some cough syrup. I see a little note. And it says, sniffle, sniffle, achoo! Oh no, someone isn't feeling so well. No school today for little Llama? Sniffle, sniffle. Oh no, now Mama Llama is sneezing too. Who will take care of whom? Sounds like they both might have a cold. Let's see what happens. Llama Llama Home with Mama. I bet you stay home with your mama when you're not well, huh? Here we go. Llama Llama morning light. Feeling yucky? Just not right. Uh-oh. Llama is not feeling so good. Down to breakfast. Tiny sneeze. Sniffle, sniffle. Tissues, please. I think I hear some rhyming words. Llama's head is feeling hot. Llama's throat is hurting lots. Oh, look, he's showing his mama. Mama, my throat hurts. Achy, fever, stuffy head. Llama, Llama went back to bed. Oh, he's not feeling so good. Time to rest. No school today, Mama says. Mama Llama brings a tray. Fruity medicine tastes yucky. Llama Llama's throat feels gucky. Oh my goodness. Look at his eyes. I think sometimes when you take medicine, you feel like that, huh? Let's see. Look around. Not much to do. Trucks are boring. Tractors too. Make a tunnel for a train. Llama, Llama, fuzzy brain. That just means he's not doing too good today. Llama, Mama Llama gets a book. Have a listen. Take a look, she says. Heavy eyelids, drippy nose. Llama Llama starts to doze. Oh, so tired. Look how Mama's taking care of him. Up again, and oh, he's feeling better. Draw some pictures. Make some letters. Oh, and Mama's cooking up a meal. Ready for him to feel better. Llama wants a sandwich, please. Mama Llama starts to sneeze. Listen to the words, please, and sneeze. Uh-oh, lunch is over. Time for toys. Mama's head does not like noise. Oh, please, oh, she says, my head hurts. Mama makes a big achoo. Llama's out of things to do. Oh, Mama's throat is sore. Being sick is such a bore. Mama coughs and Llama yawns. How long can this day go on? Mama snortles, hacks, and white whizzes. Llama Llama sick of sneezes. Soggy tissues, gobs of guck, sniffling, snorting, sneezing, yuck. Oh my goodness, look at those big words. Sniffing, snorting, sneezing, yuck. Llama, llama, red pajama, sick and bored at home with mama. Now mama's sick and he's bored. Wait! Llama Llama knows what's best. Mama Llama needs a rest. Get more tissues. Bring a cup. Fluff a comfy pillow up. What else could Mama Llama need? How about some books to read? Sounds like he's taking care of his mama, huh? Just the thing for Llama Llama, sick at home. Oh, he's looking after his mama, reading a book, but with his mom. Isn't that a good book for Mother's Day? Because mom is taking care of him just like your mama takes care of you. So what a nice book. So remember, you can come to the library and check this book out. It's called Llama Llama Home with Mama. I just hope none of you are sick though. I just hope that you enjoy your time with your mama. All right, for today, I'm going to give you a short little craft, what you can do at home to help your mama be happy, okay? All right, so for today, we're going to make our mom a very special little gift, okay? Or maybe a card. So this is what we have. I'm going to first, if you want to pick this up, you can come to the library and get the supplies that you need. But we're going to start with a heart. Miss Phyllis has already traced it out. And what you're going to do is you're going to get your scissors and you're going to cut all that out. I've already cut mine, so it's going to look like this. And it's a heart because you want to give your mom something nice for Mother's Day. All right, so once you have your heart cut out, you're going to have some tissue paper. And you'll get a piece of tissue paper, and you might have this at home, and just make a long strip like that. So I'm going to cut, and I have several colors. I have blue, I have pink, and I have kind of a dark red. So I think Miss Phyllis is going to try to mix up a couple colors here. Okay? So I'm going to cut me a strip. After I cut my strips, I'm going to cut another long, little squares out, okay? I'm not going to cut too many. And you can come by the library and you can pick up these supplies if you don't have anything at home, okay? Of course, I know you have scissors and all that good stuff. All right, so now when Miss Phyllis made hers, she just decided she wanted to just decorate the sides. If you want, you can go all the way around your heart if you'd like. It's up to you. So here's how we do this. First of all, you're going to take your heart. And what I did is I took a little bit of glue and I just went around one little place like that. Because glue dries very quickly. So then you're going to take your square. You're going to take your pencil and you're going to stick it right there in the middle. And then you're going to roll it around the pencil like that. Then you're going to stick, and I bet some of you have already done some of this tissue work. So then you stick it down, and it's going to stay. I think I'm going to do two different colors. Roll it around, and stick that one there. I think we'll do another red one. Roll it. and stick it down. Okay, and we'll do a couple more, just so you have the idea. Here you go. Roll and stick. Oh, that's going to be pretty. I think your mama's going to really like this. And we're going to do one more because I have a little bit of glue there. Roll and stick. Okay, so there's that top of that. And I think maybe I'll put a couple down here. It's up to you how you want to do it. You want to make it nice for your mama. Okay. All right, we'll start with the red this time. We'll circle and stick and circle and stick. How's that? And let's just do another blue one. You can decorate circle and stick and one more. How about a red one? Circle and stick. All right, so there's my little design, okay? Now, you can do whatever you want as far as writing it. Maybe you can have your older brother or sister help you write it. If not, you can make a picture, whatever you think you'd like to give your mama. All right, so I'm going to turn this so I can write something here. I'm going to say, I love you. And then, so it looks like that. I love you, Mom. And maybe you want to say thank you for being such a good mom. You'll have to think about what you want to write on there. All right, so then it's going to be, that could be your card, and you can close it up. And on Sunday morning, you can hand it to her and say, here, Mom. And what does it say? I love you, Mom. Okay, and then maybe on the back, since there's nothing here, maybe you might want to draw a picture of some sort, okay? So if you come to the library, you'll have a part ready for you to cut out. You'll have some tissue paper that you can make some squares at home, and then you can do your own writing, or if you want to do a picture or whatever, okay? So again, remember, Sunday is Mother's Day, and you want to, why don't you get up and make breakfast for Mom? She might like that. I love you, Mom. Okay? All right. So don't forget, come to the library and get some books. We're open now, and you can check out a book. You might want to check out Llama Llama Home with Mama. Okay? All right. See you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.